Okay. Well, yeah, I just realized my mic was muted, so I probably recorded around like the 30-minute game, just talking to myself without recording. I felt like a dumbass afterward. But I'm kind of mad right now because I recorded, or actually, me and my friends, we've been acting out some scenes for one of the videos that I wanted to upload. And when I was editing today, like a dumbass, I accidentally removed the clip and deleted some of the scenes. And knowing me, I never make backups for things. So yeah, I lost the footage, and I was pretty bummed. But as I was editing, I saw a clip of some guys who were doing gun noises or gun syncs just with Call of Duty guns, and it sounded really badass. And I kind of felt like doing one of them. And you know, I tried to, but I don't think it's actually a gun sync, because all I did was get sounds from Call of Duty and mix them together to make a beat, I guess. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Oh, look, I won. Huh, interesting. Well, that's combat training for you. Okay, so I think I need 9 more to get the achievement. Anyway. So, yeah, hope you guys like and enjoy this gun sync. Peace off. Right there, that was 200 clips, and it was like around maybe 3 or 2 minutes long. Imagine if I wanted to do even longer. I would have to go up to like 800 clips. That's insane. But I wanted to upload another video, and I kind of lost the footage. I don't know how. It got corrupted or something. But I did manage to get like around 15 seconds back. Yeah, I hope you guys like and enjoy. They told me robots were our future to success. They said they would never enslave us. And now I run from these lies to survive of what's left of this world, to wonder.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm practicing for a movie.
That was pretty bad. I could bet you I could do better.
You really think you could do better?
Yeah.
Prove it.
Alright, I will.
Come on.
4 pennies a day. You can save hungry robots to eat. Because they really eat pennies. Can you believe that? Holy crap, dude. They eat pennies!
Okay, seriously? You know what? Just roll the clip and please, somebody, get this body off the stage.